Come on.
Hello? What?
You want your bike taken away?
No, sir.
Okay, well, you better not ride there. I'm going to call the cops.
Okay.
Okay? This is not a party place like this.
Yeah.
You want to go, you go in the bush somewhere, not in here.
All right, sir. Okay, thank you. I won't be here. Get off your bike.
I'm about tired of your shit.
What did I do?
You the damn one that causing all this mess.
What?
I ain't fussing at you that much. And him. That's us right here.
I don't see why you picked me out of the crowd.
I'm gonna tell you what.
Tell me what.
I done told you my last time.
I know you did.
Well,
and I ain't done nothing wrong.
You let me catch you coming up through here.
Did you see me go fast? I did not go fast through here.
Oh yeah. Y'all didn't come up.
Back there, yeah, but that's not even your property. It's not even in front of your house.
Right here in front of the damn house.
When did I do that?
I've seen you come up through here, all the way up through here on one wheel. I'm fixing to send the sheriff's department to your house to tell your daddy to keep your ass out from over there.
All right, do it.
Jak mi ta flaszka dzisiaj, to chłopie, ojciec też jeden wody.
Gościu, to się kameruje. Nie jemy i spokój, ja?
Jak mi ta flaszka dzisiaj, to
kurwa, teraz zimą. Ale mogę tu przyjechać, przepływać te kurwa na placha i zimą, ja? Ej, mocno nie, za to kupić te krzepka, więcej zimą. Idź na coś innego! No jebnij mnie, jebnij mnie!
Get the fuck out and don't come back.
I thought we agreed on I ride the grass around it.
Go and get or you're going to jail.
I'm sorry. If I come around.
No. Go around and get the fuck out of here.
Alright.
Don't come back.
I just want to say I didn't damage the field. I went around the grass area.
Go and get.
Alright.
Catch you back, you're going to jail.
Ska vi dra där? Va? Typ upp till... Okej. Okej.
Breaking the law, breaking the law.
Ja, ja. Ja.
Ja, inte för att vi förstör naturen så jävla mycket. Inte för att vi förstör naturen så himla mycket när vi kör.
Okej. Ja, men vi drar då. Fuck off, you fucking bum! Fuck you, you fucking wank! That's going on YouTube. Fuck.
Tak? Tak. Tak. Tak, mam. Rejestrację mam w domu.
No gdzie jest rejestracja? Gdzie jest chwileczkę. A gdzie jest rozwód? A gdzie jest zgoda leśniczego? No jak? No jak?
O co pani chodzi?
Spierdalaj, synu.
No dobrze, proszę mi nie bić, no. No już, idę, już, no dobrze, kurde, już, no spokojnie. Niech pan... No dobrze, już jadę, kurde. No już. No niech...